Alright guys, we are heading into boarding right now. After about a full month in Bangkok, the boys and I are heading to the most beautiful island in all of Thailand, Koh Lipe. So we have about an hour flight roughly, ferry ride. It's a little tough to get there, but let's go.
And at this point in my journey, I was very pleased to have one of my best friends, David, fly over from California, thousands of miles to island hop with me in Thailand. These are moments I'm most excited for, sharing them with friends I care about most. That includes Dustin, of course. But at this point, we had no idea where this journey was heading. All we knew was it was a pretty long hike, hopefully worth it.
Oh man, we made it. Look at that water. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Oh my god, we made it to Koh Lipe after a 90-minute flight, an hour and 45 taxi, and 90-minute boat ride. Welcome to paradise. Holy smokes, the water looks absolutely amazing. The water feels amazing too. All right, let's find a guy and let's get to our resort. Heck yeah, man. Woo. All right, so this is our crew helping us with our bags, and we are heading to the other side of the island, to the Pattaya Beach side. Thank you, kapun kap. All right, so this looks to be our transportation. So luckily we're not on another boat, but we're in this van. We're heading to the opposite side of the island because we're on the sunset side for the first 2 nights, and then we're on the sunrise side for the next 2 nights. All right, we got a 2-minute walk right now, and we are at the resort. So as I mentioned, we're gonna be staying at supposedly the nicest resort on Koh Lipe. I am super stoked for this. They have 2 resorts on Koh Lipe, one on the sunrise side and one on the sunset side. So the first 2 nights, they're hooking us up with the sunset side. The following 2 nights, we're getting taken care of on the sunrise side. Oh my god, I'm super stoked for this. I cannot wait to shoot the drone up too. Oh man, this is kind of cool. So we're on the beach, but this is like jungle-esque. Oh my god, look at the water. Woo, we got a little peach pup. Hello, Saudi cop. Thank you. Kapun ka. Thank you, kapun kap. Okay. 7:30, 10:30. So we made it to Mali in Koh Lipe on Pattaya Beach. I'm super stoked. Here's a quick room tour for you guys to see. So you walk right in here. This is the Balinese ocean view room. You close the doors over here. That's the ocean, that's why it's called that. Right when you walk in, we have an extra bed over here. We got a TV set up. We got a beautiful bed right over here with a giant window and a view. Looking straight up, you got some high ceilings with a huge fan. This is so nice. And walk this way. This is one of my favorite parts. You get the bathroom. And it's an outdoor bathroom. So you got double sinks with double mirrors right over here. You got a toilet in the corner. Spin it back around. You got double shower heads right over here. This is so nice. And a nice rack to hang your towel. And again, you're outdoors. Oh my. Going back into the bedroom. So we're here for the next 2 nights. I am super stoked for this. So the sunset is on this side of the island. The sunrise, we're gonna be the following 2 nights after the first 2 nights here. And we are super stoked to be here at Mali for the next 4 nights, let's say in total at 2 different resorts. So I'm gonna stop the vlog here. We're gonna do some island hopping tomorrow, and let's get to that tomorrow. Oh my god, and this looks to be our breakfast. I'm so stoked. That looks good. I got the breakfast sandwich with ham. That looks absolutely delicious with fresh fruits, of course. Bacon, please, right here. And I got bacon too. I gotta get bacon. And then David's not eating, he's on a diet. Delicious. And even though the sun's not out, we're still gonna probably hang out in the water today. We're gonna show you the walking street. So there's a main street right back there. It's about a 10-minute walk and it's the walking street. But there are a lot of shops so you can buy souvenirs. And then we're gonna head to probably 1 or 2 of those restaurants, get some lunch later on, and hopefully again shoot the drone up. And I hope we get an incredible sunset tonight. Last night the sunset was pretty nice. You saw the pastel, you saw some oranges. It didn't last as long long as some of the spots that we went to, but it's been kind of cloudy here. Again, it is rainy season out here in Thailand. All right, we just swam for like about 2-3 hours. We've been in the water most of the time since after breakfast. The water is super nice. As you see though, it was kind of cloudy, so it's not as clear as most of the waters that I've been in Southeast Asia, but it's still like 75, 80 degrees. It feels absolutely amazing, the water. And now we're gonna walk down the beach and we're gonna head to the walking street, which is the main area that has like bars, massage, souvenir shops. Unfortunately, David's putting his arms up.
How do we get there?
It's high tide, so unlike yesterday night, check it out. It might be a little more difficult to walk to. It's like right down there. We walked from here all the way down there. It's only a 10-minute walk on the beach and we're there, but we're gonna do it. All right, that's a lot easier. Holding the flip-flops. And literally after a 10-15 minute walk down Pattaya Beach, you made it to the walking street. Welcome to Koh Lipe walking street. So you can see how like dead it is right now. Again, it's low season. Not busy season because it's the start of rainy season. And yeah, it's absolutely dead down here. But as you can see, there's like a lot of different shops. This is the shop that we ate at last night. So the restaurant we ate at yesterday opens at 1. A lot of places are closed, so I'm not sure if it's like a thing that they open at 1 o'clock or not, but this is like super quiet here. Here's a massage place that's actually open, it looks like. Oh. Yeah, maybe later. Probably not. And again, everything's negotiable, so do your best, although stuff in the island is going to be a little more expensive than stuff in Bangkok or stuff in the mainland. So yesterday we went to 7-Eleven and we're used to getting these vitamin C shots, which is about 15 baht in Bangkok. Out here they were 30, so it's double the price. We're used to getting those toasties, as you see in all the vlogs, which is 25 baht in Bangkok. Out here they're 38, so almost double the price. So obviously it's a lot tougher to get stuff to the island. So it's a little more expensive, and this is probably the only 7-Eleven on the island too. Another massage place. We've been only walking for like 3 minutes. We passed like 5 massage places.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, but David already got 2 massages in his first 3 days here, so I mean, you're used to paying for an hour like 90 bucks, 100 bucks in America. David's been paying $7 a massage. Come on. Another massage place.
What?
Look at that. This is like our 5th massage place in like 5 minutes of walking. Come to heaven with 7-Eleven. So to get from one end of the island to the other end of the island, it only takes about 30 minutes walking. So the island's not that big, super easy, super convenient to get around. You can either walk, or there's a lot of taxis and tuk-tuks around that can get you to different places. So again, the island's not too big. You can essentially walk everywhere here in Koh Lipe. Another massage place. Every 7.6 feet, there's a massage place. Oh my God, 2 massage places next to each other. Yeah, this street's pretty long, isn't it?
Oh, actually one more here.
Massage, massage, massage. And the massage is about the same price. It's 300 for a Thai massage. I think David paid 250 in Bangkok. It's 400 for an oil massage, so it's essentially the same price still as Bangkok. It's a straight shot from one end of the island to the other end, this walking street. It's not that far, right? Small island. Oh my God, thank heaven for another 7-Eleven. So confirmed, 2 7-Elevens. All right, so it looks like we reached the end of the walking street and we ran into Darwin Village? Darren?
Here we go.
I think it's Yaren.
Yaren?
Varen?
Yaren? Varn?
Check it out.
What about Varen?
Varn? So confirmed, it's Varen Village with a V. I thought originally that this is like some ancient village, something like that, but it's not. It's beachfront bungalows. That's right on Sunrise Beach, right over here, which we're about to run into. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be transferring to Mali's other resort on Sunrise Beach. It's on this beach, not 100% sure where, but you guys will see that in the next vlog. And yeah, oh my God, look at that little bird. The thing I love about being out here also, there's so many different types of birds. Like that one has like a little yellow on its eyes, it's black feathers. It's so cool seeing the diverse amount of birds and animals out here. Varn Village. So yeah, that was a quick little walk through Pattaya Walking Street. It literally took about 20 minutes to get from one side to the other side, as you saw. We're gonna find a place to eat, chill out, and yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. Get some lunch and just hang out on Pattaya Beach. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the island hopping because the waves are too bad. But hopefully in the next couple of days, maybe we can get some snorkel trip or something going. Just shot the drone up and we got some strawberry banana smoothies. That's so refreshing. How's the smoothies, guys?
Very good.
Very good?
Delicious.
Nice. We made it back to Walking Street. There's obviously more people. There's like 20 people in front of me. It's a good amount of people in each of the restaurants. And the best part is, the sun is out. Oh my goodness, welcome sun. Welcome to the party, sun. We've missed you all day. Hopefully you stay out for a while. And yeah, we're gonna go back to the hotel right now. We're gonna jump in the water because the sun's out. I'm gonna try to shoot the drone up a little bit because that water looks absolutely beautiful from the drone. Shot it up real quick while we were drinking our smoothies, and we're happy that the sun is out, so hopefully we can keep it out and jump in the water.
Even though we couldn't island hop due to the waves today, we still had an incredible day out in Koh Lipe, and it was an awesome time showing David around at the start of our island hopping adventure. We ended up relaxing out in the water and caught a beautiful sunset. And boy, this water feels so good. Aqua blue, cerulean blue, call it what you want, maybe even the Gatorade factory. It's refreshing to be in, and we did not want to get out. Shortly after shooting the drone up, Maui Resort set us up with a delicious dinner. Although we had to take cover from the rain, it was a perfect end to our first full day in Koh Lipe. We hope to island hop soon though. But what an incredible first full day it was in Koh Lipe. Maui Resorts is definitely taking care of us, and I highly recommend come check out Maui Resorts. We're currently at their second resort on Sunrise Beach right now, having an amazing time, and today we're going to be able to island hop. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that like, comment down below, hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified of the next Koh Lipe vlog, and there's many more vlogs to come in Thailand.